The Playwright testing community. Honestly, it is like trying to host a barbecue in the middle of the monsoon season. The grill works, the vibe is there, but rain clouds keep rolling in. Let us talk about those rain clouds. And don't worry, there is sunshine at the end. First up, Flaky Tests. They are like that friend who swears they are on their way but shows up 2 hours late. Sometimes they pass, sometimes they fail, even when nothing changes. Network hiccups, timing delays, dynamic pages. It's a ghost hunt in the world of flaky tests. Test maintenance? Imagine Jenga, but every time the app updates, the blocks magically turn into Legos. Locators break, scripts fail, and suddenly half of your sprint is just patchwork instead of progress. Playwright's learning curve. Less like a curve, more like climbing Everest with surprise ladders. Async code, browser contacts, multi-page handling. It's Mario Kart with 3 controllers. Non-coders, beware. Community support. Selenium is like Starbucks. Every corner has one. Playwright? Amazing coffee, but only 2 Yelp reviews. You will find answers eventually. The AI will also help, but sometimes you are making your own recipes. Reporting and CICD are another problem. Reports feel like fortune cookies: pass, fail, try again. And pipelines? They are like the IKEA furniture. You do get a chair, but why are there 6 screws left over? Complex DOMs, session management, missing features. It is like trying to find your friend in a Coachella crowd, share Netflix with your family, and order tacos at a sushi bar all at once. But here's the sweet spot. These aren't dead ends, just some speed bumps. With the right patterns, frameworks, and a little automation magic, Playwright becomes a joyride instead of a grind. And that's exactly why I built my Playwright test automation code, so you can dodge flaky tests, tame test maintenance, and ship with confidence. Hit the link below, sign up today, and let us turn those rain clouds into rainbows for your QA career.